Hi everyone, it's Anne here from Positively Papercraft and I'm back with another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make these adorable little sort of candy wrapper charms. I wasn't going to, but I made them and posted a picture on Facebook, and a few people asked us if I would do a tutorial on them. There is a lot of tutorials on them, lots of different ways how to make them, but I have recorded one nonetheless. But yeah, I made mine into little cute Halloween ones, but you could make them, you know, for any occasion or however you want to decorate them. So yeah, if you stick around, I'll show you how easy they are to make. Okay everyone, so I'm going to show you how to make these little sort of candy wrapper charm things. These are the ones I had been making. They've just got little sort of cute little shakers and stuff in them, and they're all sort of covered with washi tape. So to make these, I've been using these little sort of vinyl little bag things. I think they are originally made to store jewellery in them. I think it stops the jewellery from tainting. The 4 by 6 centimeters, I got them from Amazon, and I'll see if I can put the link for them. You might be able to get them from Temu or AliExpress, but these are the really little tiny ones. You can get bigger sizes, so I've got them. As I said, I'd been using washi tape, but like if you don't have washi tape, you can use pattern paper. So I'm going to use pattern paper this time, and I've just put some, I thought I'd put double-sided tape on the back of that one, but I haven't. Yeah, I've got another couple of bits here which I have got double-sided tape on the back. So I've got that. What else do you need? I've got some of these scissors which cut the sort of little, I think the pink and shears, I think they're called. I've got some little bits and pieces to put in my little wrappers, some little chain things, some jump rings, and I may even put some sequins and stuff in. And we will need charms as well, which I'll get them in a second. So we've got to open these, and then you're going to decide obviously what you're going to have in. So I've opened that. So I'll start putting some of this on the back, on the bottom, sorry, what would be the bottom. So if I just peel the tape off, and then we need to leave some, because obviously we need to cut it with our pink and shears. So if I say stick that on there, which will be the back, and then just fold it over, and then again pull it tight and press it down. So that would be the bottom. Then we would come along with our little pink and shears and just trim that off so it looks like, you know, a sort of little candy wrapper. So that's the bottom one done. So as I said, you don't necessarily need washi tape. So let me see, because I've got some charms here and some of the sequins that I got from the Temu haul the other week. I'm going to use some of these, and then I've got some like these tiny ones here. These are actually nail charms, so I just went on Ali or Temu and just put in Halloween nail charms, and they're just like little tiny ones which are ideal to put in you know, these kind of little things. So there's some of these as well. These were nail charms, like little bats and stuff. So I might put in, yeah, I'll put a little pumpkin in, and this little ghosty thing in. It's probably all I'll put in from that one. So if I get the little bag, where have I put it? So we'll put the little pumpkin in and the little ghosty, like that. And then I might put a couple of these in. So it's a little eyeball sweet and a little ghost. There we go, so we've got them in. Move this out of the way. Then I am going to put some of these little bits and pieces I got from the Temu haul. Let me have a look. So we'll put some of these little seed beads in, different colours. Oh, some of them, they're really, I said these were really pretty when I got them, and they're beautiful. Some of these little pink ones in. Some of them as well, they're pretty. Oh, they're gorgeous. I love these. Might put some gold in as well. No, actually, I'll tell you which ones I had. These are just some tonic lilac bloom. We'll put some of these in. A few of them. And also, I think these were from Temu as well. They're like tiny little candies, like little candy sweet things. Put some of them in. Yeah, you can see they're just like tiny little candy sweet sort of shaker things. And I think that'll do. So I'm going to close this up. They are so cute. And then I'm going to get the other bit of my patterned paper, take the double-sided tape off, and then make sure I get it the right way, so we'll have that. So yeah, it would need to be this way. So we'll leave enough to cut it with our scissors, remember, and then just pull it tight. And then take our scissors. How cute are these? They're just so sweet. Now I've got my crocodile. I'm going to punch a little hole about here. Then I've got I had a little gold eyelet. Where's that gone? There it is. I've got a gold eyelet. Put that in there. My crocodile keeps jamming lately. Oh. So I've got that in. Then I've got I have a pink little clasp, and I want a jump ring to put that on to the little clasp. Open that up and we'll put this through. Okay, close that off, and then I'll get a smaller one, and I haven't picked a charm yet. I'm going to go for this little black ghosty. So we will attach this, and that's basically it. They're quite addictive to make as well because they are so cute. And then I'll pop that onto the other jump ring. Close that off. How cute are them? They are so sweet. And then of course you can, you know, add other things, like you could add other little charms on. You could put, you know, you can do whatever you like to them. Put in whatever you could put, like just say a bigger charm in instead of lots of little ones. You know, it's entirely up to you. I might glue this one on actually because I quite like that. But yeah, you can have fun with these. I'll stick this one on here. Yeah, they are absolutely adorable. So there we go. That's the one I've made, and then there's the ones I originally made with the washi tape. But I mean, the washi tape's nice, but obviously it's thin, and you can kind of see where, you know, like the edges of the little pouch is. So I don't know, I think I might just use pattern paper. I think I prefer it. Yeah, I think it just gives a nicer look to it really, but you can use whatever. So hope you've enjoyed it. I'll pop what links I can beneath the video, so take care and bye for now.